Hi, in this video, I will show you how to synchronize the activities among concurrent processes. This is achieved using event. An event is an object of a class sc_event. It is used for the purpose of synchronization. An event has the following method. First, it can generate an immediate notification. A second method allows it to generate a notification after a certain time. A third method is used to cancel a pending notification. Please be aware immediate notification cannot be cancelled. There can be at most one pending notification for any given event. What it means is, if you have an event and the notification time is 2 seconds later, then you trigger the event again with notification time of 1 second. It will only generate one notification after 1 second, and the other notification is cancelled. Now let's take a look at an example. Let me copy the code. Paste it. In this example, I define a module with 2 threads, a trigger thread and a catcher thread. I also declare an event to synchronize the activity between the trigger and the catcher thread. Within the trigger thread, every 2 seconds, it generates a notification. The notification will be triggered after 1 second. Within the catcher thread, it listens to the event, prints to console when the event is received. Also in the trigger thread, I added a line to cancel an event when time is 4 seconds. Let's go to the debug mode. I will set 2 breakpoints. One breakpoint after the notification is generated. Another event when the notification is called at the catcher thread. Let's launch the program. First, it breaks at the trigger thread. Continue. Now the catcher thread catches the event. If I hit continue, it goes back to the trigger. Please note the event was cancelled earlier, so the catcher is not able to catch the event fired at time 4 seconds. By the end of the simulation, which is 8 seconds, you can see the catcher thread catches 3 events at time 1, 3, and 7. Okay, hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.